How to share a story on Wattpad to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a story on Wattpad to Instagram, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. This is the home page, as you can see. Now choose the story that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner here. You can click here, or you can click on this little icon here, click on it and choose direct here. It's very easy, as you can see. You can choose direct or feed as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.